Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. Today I am here with another makeup video. So today I will show you the Sultry Bengali eye makeup look. Many of us become delighted whenever we see any kajal look on screen, and that's why many people admire Bengali eye makeup look with kajal. Today I am creating that kind of kajal look. So let's get started. So first I am starting by moisturizing and massaging it on my skin. Whenever you choose a moisturizer before applying makeup, try to choose it according to your skin type. Now I am applying Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer all over my face. It's a very important step, please try not to skip it. To color correct my skin, I am using MAC Studio Conceal and Correct Palette Medium and applying this color under my eyes, around my lips and around my nose. Now using my fingertip, I am patting it on my skin. Thus I am blending all of this. For foundation, I am using MAC Studio Fix Fluid NC25 and I am applying it using a small flat brush. Now I am blending this using a beauty blender. For concealer, I am taking this color from the same palette and applying it under my eyes, around lips, on forehead and bridge of my nose. Now again I am blending this all. To set this all, I am using MAC Studio Fix Powder plus Foundation NC30 and applying it using a flat kabuki brush. For contour, I am using MAC Studio Fix Powder NC46 and I am applying it on my cheekbone, on my jawline, on hairline, and on my nose. For eyeshadow, today I am using Makeup Revolution Ultra 32 eyeshadow palette. So first I am picking up this color, burn it using a flat eyeshadow brush and applying it all over my eyelid. Then using a blending brush, I am blending its edges. Again I am taking the color, burn it and applying it on my eyelid and blending its edges. Now using another blending brush, I am taking the color drop and applying it on my crease area. I am using it as my transition color. Now I am highlighting my brow bone using the color Kisses. Then using the end part of a brush, I am applying Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Liner on my waterline. As well, I am also applying it on my lower lash line. Then using a flat eyeshadow brush, light-handed, I am dragging it towards outside. Now again I am tightlining my waterline using PAC Long Lasting Kohl Pencil. And I am also adding color to my upper waterline. And using the same flat brush, I am dragging the color towards my inner corner. Now I am applying mascara on my lashes. This mascara is from L'Oreal Paris. Off camera, I will add false lashes. Now I am highlighting my inner corner using the color Kisses. I am also adding mascara on my lower lashes. Again taking the color Kisses, I am highlighting my cheekbone. Chin, forehead, nose tip and bridge of my nose. For lipstick, I am using Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Pink Liquid Lipstick Amazonian. Now taking a brown shade lip liner, I am lining my lips edges. For blush, I am using Benefit Cosmetics California Sunny Golden Pink Blush. Now I am finishing the look using Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Setting Spray. So here is the final brown smoked out kajal look. Seriously guys, I am in love with this look. Please let me know how is this look by commenting down. If you like this video, then please give a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update. See you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.